Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy broccoli veg salad recipe, ideal as a filling meal for dinner or for lunch in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For the broccoli salad, I have already sliced one head of broccoli into small florets, washed and rinsed it thoroughly and then kept it on a strainer. Add the broccoli florets onto a steamer and steam cook for exactly 6 minutes. While the broccoli is getting steam cooked, I'm heating a kadai and adding in 1 teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, add in 10 garlic cloves finely chopped. Give it a stir and saute for about a minute so that the oil is infused with the garlic flavor. Add in 2 carrots sliced and 10 beans sliced. Sprinkle in sea salt as needed. Give it a stir, cover and let it cook on medium flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir and allow it to steam cook for another couple of minutes on low flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir, and now the carrot and beans are 3/4 cooked. That is, you will have a bite to it. Into this, add in the steamed broccoli, half teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and give this all a good mix. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder and give this a good mix. At this stage, you can check salt, and if you feel you need more salt, you can add in a couple of pinches of sea salt. You can also increase or decrease black pepper to suit your taste. About 2 minutes later, once everything is nicely mixed, turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon black sesame seeds and give this all a good mix. Add the vegetables on top of the lettuce leaves. Lastly, sprinkle in little more toasted sesame seeds. You can use white sesame seeds if you prefer. So guys, do try this healthy broccoli salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.